What is up, you guys? If you're looking for the best Helium 10 promo code or coupon code, I'm going to have it listed in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments to help you guys out as much as I can. I will be updating this code regularly to give you the best discount code possible. That way, you can get Helium 10 really cheap. Like I said, I'll have the link and also if I have any coupon codes, the best one, I'll also have it. Usually it would just be in the affiliate link. And let me just show you why Helium 10 is by far the best software to use when it comes to Amazon product research. So this is my dashboard here, and without Helium 10, I wouldn't have been able to scale my Amazon business to what it is. So this is the dashboard where it shows you all the profits, and as of today, the day has pretty much just started and we are at 1,000 in sales, which is great. Yesterday, over 2,000 in sales, profit a little under 1,000, and last 7 days here. And this is from last year, which is insane because I didn't start up with a lot of money, and Helium 10 has allowed me to really scale this business year after year. You can see 1.1 million in sales and 425,000 in net profit. But when it pretty much started with Amazon and getting the whole ball rolling, I didn't have that much money to start up with. I literally first started with just one product and just a small amount of money. And what I did was I bought my first product. I sold out really fast and I bought it again and I started selling it again. And instead, what I did was I reinvested all the profits into the second product, and then I expanded and did the third product, fourth product, fifth product. Next thing I know, I have a long-term business down the line that I'm able to sell even in the future. And what you're doing is you're building a long-term brand and business, especially if you're using Helium 10. This allowed me personally to find the best products to sell on Amazon. And I've used this tool with Amazon product research, which let me show you guys here really quick here. Let me go back here. Okay, and first off, let's look at the tools here, which is something really cool because the business valuation tool, which I'm in the process of currently trying to sell the business. We can go here and you can see how much it is currently worth, which is amazing. That is crazy to see. But what's better about all of this is that it's so advanced when it comes to Amazon product research and finding a good product to start selling on Amazon. So what I like to do is I mainly like to use this tool to find the best products to sell on Amazon. Also, it helps me keep tracks of my profits, my listing tracking, listing optimization, making sure pretty much how I can get ranked on the first page of Amazon. All these tools I highly recommend you to do. I personally have, I believe, the platinum, the $99 a month one, which is the best one I recommend you to get. And yeah, if you want to learn more about like how to rank first on Amazon and all that, I actually have a free course where I teach you guys step by step of how to do the whole process literally for free. What to do, what to stay away from, how to make sure it's a good product to even sell, and more Amazon product research. And I even have a lot of those videos are for free on my course, and I also have those videos more or less the same ones on my YouTube channel as well. You can always check it out, but the course has it all like structured so you can go step by step with one by one. It's really beginner friendly and it helps you guys out, especially if you're starting up with selling on Amazon, which is something you should check out. I have the beginner guide and a more advanced guide. The advanced guide is $99 a month compared to the beginner. The beginner is free, nothing's needed. You can literally start in 2 minutes, but if you want to make it a full-time career, you can check out the advanced one, which is $99 a month, and you can finish it in a month and pretty much be official and know everything when it comes to selling on Amazon. So try to make it as cheap and affordable for everybody that's really interested in selling. So let's go back here and let me just show you how and why Helium 10 is such a powerful tool. So this is what I personally like about it the most is Amazon product research. It's going to allow you to find what products are good to sell on Amazon. For example, let's just look up baby products. These are the filters that I like when it comes to selling on Amazon. you can copy it so that way you can find great products to start selling. I like to put 1-in-1, minimum price $18. Max review count, let's put 350. We're gonna put the size small, large, standard, nothing big, nothing heavy, so max 3 pounds. We're gonna put fulfillment FBA, and then that looks pretty good here. Am I missing anything? Let's look for the revenue. Where's the revenue? Okay, great. Parent revenue minimum, let's make it $9,000. That way we find some really good products. Now we're gonna click search here. And I want to go one by one in each category that you're interested in. In this category, we're gonna be talking about baby products, but it's a really great category to get into it, I believe. So it's gonna give you a ton of data for all this stuff, right? So we're gonna go one by one in each one. The baby swaddle wrap. So this one here is selling for $24. And let's see, you can see it's made 27,000 in the last 30 days. Let me click it here. Let's see this. Okay, so this product has made last 30 days, close to $30,000 in the last 30 days, which is amazing. And it only has 162 reviews, which is crazy to see. So baby products is such a good one because this is so inexpensive. It's small and light. It's something really easy to get into. I mean, that does not take a lot of money. That product right here, you can get really cheap on Alibaba. So you would go here, Alibaba, get those main keywords here. We're gonna paste it on Alibaba.com, and you're gonna find a lot of manufacturers for this. So you can see it's pretty much the exact same product here for less than $3. And yeah, it's just a very, very easy way to make money when it comes to Amazon Helium 10, and just getting this software and knowing what sells and what doesn't is just very powerful and amazing. So if you want, like I said, Helium 10, the best discount code, I'll have it in the pinned comments and in the description so you can use it. Highly recommend Helium 10. It's how I was able to scale my business. And if you want to learn more about pretty much scaling an Amazon business and making a full-time career, check out this YouTube channel where it teaches you everything step by step for free. All of it is here for you. And if you want me to make any special videos for you, leave a comment down below. I'll help you guys out as much as I can. That's about it, guys. Really hope you get Helium 10, you scale that Amazon business, you grow a full-time career out of this, and maybe quit your 9-to-5 if you have one. That's about it, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.